Hola, hi everyone. Hi, hi. Hey, you, my friend. Thank you so much for accepting me in your country the last time. Well, I'm back in Greece again, guys. What's up, my beautiful friends? How are you all doing? In fact, I'm so excited to be here in Greece once more. Once good more. Okay, guys. I'm back to react to Marina Satti. She's one of my favorite singers out there. And you know what? She's from one of the most beautiful countries out there in the world. She's from Greece, right? But Marina Satti, she has given us a brand new track called ZARI and Unplugged. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm excited, guys. Like, you guys have shown so much support. I have to come back again and to give another reaction. Okay? So without further ado, viewers, let's dive in. Peace. Okay, guys. So drink something. It's from our country, Jamaica. It's one of Jamaica's best drinks out there, bro. Yeah, man. Well, it's a Jamaican friend again, guys, right? Yeah. So let's dive in, bro. The queen is back. The queen of Greece, the best singer in Greece, is back. She is back. Yo! Buka! 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 Her incredibleness is back, bro. Her exquisite voice is back.
I'm gonna do it my way. Στο μυαλό σου θα μπαίνω βγαίνω. Γιατί δεν μου δώσεις το χέρι ούτε για να πιαστώ. Κάποτε είχα πόνο για σένα κρυφό.
Bro, it's sounding similar like the first song, but this one it's more sweeter. It's more, oh my, bro. To be honest, I don't even know how to describe these songs, but this one is freaking awesome.
Αφήνω όλα να βγουνε, πάμε put your hands up. Κάνω ότι δεν ήτανε ψέμα. Ρίξε άλλη μια τελευταία φορά. Και σε μένα μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει μετά.
Yo! Ah! Yo! Yo! I love it!
Και σε μένα μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει μετά. Να μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει. Και σε μένα μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει μετά.
Can someone please let me stay in Greece for a year or two? Because the music in Greece is freaking awesome. It's amazing, bro. This female, Marina Satti, makes Greece music look awesome. Boo, boo, boo. She's one of my favorite singers, to be honest. I love it.
Να με θυμηθώ τις ώρες που κόντευα να τρελαθώ. Μαρίνα! Άσε να με θυμηθώ. Δεν πίστευες στο κάρμα του είναι αληθινό. Πάμε put your hands up. Κάνω ότι δεν ήτανε ψέμα. Ρίξε άλλη μια τελευταία φορά.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Yo. I love her so much. I love her voice so much. Her voice is so sweet.
Και σε μένα μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει μετά. Μόνη κι αν μένω, πάντα σε περιμένω. Τρέμω σαν φλόγα, σαν σπίρτο αναμένω.
Yo, yo, that was unexpected. I think she was gonna go full speed ahead. But when I come to think of it, bro, she's breaking up. She's breaking up. She stopped right there. Oh my, bro. Oh my. Oh my. Ah! Yo.
Όταν χαράζει με τρώει το μαράζι. Μόνη πεθαίνω αν είσαι αλλού.
Yo. The synchronization. Oh my god. Oh my. It's beautiful. Yo, it's beautiful.
Και εσύ να μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει μετά. Να μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει.
Yo, the instrumental is once again astounding, bro. Boo, 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 boo. Music is awesome. It's really awesome.
Και εσύ να μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει μετά. Να μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει. Να μας έρθει μακάρι. Πέφτω και κυλάμε σαν ζάρι.
Yo, I gotta say, bro. I gotta say, right? I can't get enough. I just can't get it freaking enough, bro.
Κάνε πως ξεχνάω το όνομά σου. Κι όλα αλλάζει γύρω μου απότομα. Ο άνεμος για πόθη με σπάρει. Πέφτω και κυλάμε σαν ζάρι.
Look up, look up, look up, look up. Oh, she's amazing.
Κάνε πως ξεχνάω το όνομά σου. Κι όλα αλλάζει γύρω μου απότομα. Όπα, γάζι, σπάρει.
Yo, her dance. Oh my god, her dance, bro. Oh wow, wow, damn. Her dancing is magnificent. These people are beautiful, astounding people. Oh my, oh my. Well, I'm happy to be a part of the Greece country. From Jamaica, love from Jamaica, and one love, one heart. I guess you all know Bob Marley so much. It's quite remarkable to know you all know Bob Marley so much. You guys are so cool, bro.
Και εσύ να μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει μετά. Να μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει.
Boo, 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 boo. Bah! Bro, I always want to go hard for these people, bro. I mean, like, you Greece people, you deserve a lot more recognition. To be honest, I give you my recognition because I recognize the hard work that you guys have put out, the music that you have put out, and the people themselves are really amazing people. I mean, like, you guys are so freaking cool, bro.
Και εσύ να μας φέρει ό,τι θέλει μετά.
But, yo. Splendid. Just splendid. And I gotta say, her persona is amazing. Beautiful. Just beautiful.
Κι όλα αλλάζουν γύρω μου απότομα.
Miss Satti, this one was another incredible one. I gotta say, lovely song, lovely energy. Guys, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.